In most cases, the contact sensor should work normally on the window or patio door as long as it's installed correctly. If for any reason the sensor is not working on your window or patio door, there is a good chance that the metal or aluminum frame is blocking the signal to the alarm panel. In most cases, we recommend purchasing the OSI signal repeater. The OSI signal repeater will not only fix this issue, but it can also help the signal go through barriers and walls, including some made out of concrete, depending on the thickness. It also allows for the contact sensor to be installed at much farther distances on your property, including detached garages or sheds.
Well, we hope this video helped you out. All the products you see here are available on Amazon.com and Amazon.ca. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave your question below and we'll be sure to answer it as soon as possible. My name is Brandon Paris and thank you for watching.